All right, gang, we got the rear end stripped out, so this frame is pretty much ready to go out for blasting and come back for coating.
Yeah, no doubt, man. Big job there, but we're gonna show you an easy way to tackle rust in your own garage, your own shop. It's from CRC. It's their Evaporust heavy-duty rust remover. Man, they got a couple different applications. This is the really cool. It's like the dip-in basket. So if you have small fasteners, bolts, we want to reuse the bumper bolts. We'll just put those in here. Don't have to worry about pouring anything. You just sit in here, and then drop it in there and let it soak.
Yeah, it's nice. This stuff is ready to go. You don't have to do any mixing or anything.
Yeah,
You can
and
just drop your parts in, right? No elbow grease. Let it soak.
Easy, reusable too, so you can get a lot of life out of this. Beats that old way of getting the rust off where you're sandblasting it or sanding on it or whatever. You just drop it in, walk away.
No work, and we got the bumper brackets off the rear, so we can let these guys soak. We'll flip them over a little while and get the other sides. So
drop these in.
Yeah, this is that dip it and kind of walk away thing, man.
Exactly.
Well, all right.
You got a little rust remove on your shirt.
That's right. I don't want to get naked. All right, let these soak. We'll get this thing prepped and out the door.